thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. Your drive through Austin may get a little smoother in the coming months. Austin Public Works has started its seasonal street maintenance to help preserve Austin's streets and extend their lifespan. The seal coat treatment requires 3 basic steps: spray, spread, and sweep. It's a quick process involving spraying a layer of oil and then spreading asphalt material on top. Crews then sweep away the remaining rock. Loose gravel is common after the treatment, and crews may return to do additional sweeping as needed. If you come across this work, avoid sharp turns and hard braking until the surface is able to settle. If work is scheduled for your neighborhood, crews will notify you in advance with door hangers. You will be asked to remove vehicles from the street, and any vehicles not moved will be towed to a nearby street. For more information and the streets scheduled for maintenance, visit austintexas.gov/street maintenance. Looking for a way to volunteer with the city? Here's a unique idea. Help the Austin Transportation Department keep parking spaces for those with disabilities accessible. Austin Transportation holds trainings regularly to teach Austinites how to patrol accessible parking spaces in the community to ensure they're used properly. Volunteers can patrol in groups or on their own, and many have joined the program as a way to help the community.
We're not here to get one more ticket. We will just want you to know that we're taking a couple more steps and volunteering so that we can aware that why we do this and how important this space is.
Learn more at austintexas.gov/parking volunteer. The Economic Development Cultural Arts Division, in partnership with Creative Action and the Austin Civilian Conservation Corps, brought to life our community's wishes. Collected in various locations throughout Austin, these wish trees are now growing a better world.
Hello and welcome to the Wish Tree Activation. So this is the Austin Safely Creates project. It's a wish tree activation. So all year we have been having wish trees all over the city where people can write a wish down and then put it on the tree. And it's supposed to bring awareness to mental health and to taking care of yourself during a tough time right now.
It's good to be able to express this kind of stuff out in public. That way kids can learn and adults can learn too.
So now we're taking the wishes that were either on the trees or sent in via our website, and we're basically bringing them to life through performances.
I wish for everybody to be treated nicely.
This is the first time we've ever done this activation.
We're just super excited about it, just hearing all the kids' wishes and stuff like that, and just being able to do something about it and maybe show it to them.
I personally think it's incredibly important to bring awareness to mental health because a lot of times we sweep it under the rug, and that's exactly how we get into really isolated spaces. And Creative Action is all about building community, and I think we're just the perfect partner to be able to bring these wishes to life and to make people feel heard and seen. As long as we have wishes, I'd love to continue something like this.
Wish Trees is a community project under Austin Safely Creates, a program made up of a community-wide education and awareness campaign. It centers art making as a way to foster positive mental health, build community, and inspire hope. To learn more about the program and how you can submit your own wish, visit creativeaction.org/Austin Safely Creates. The Parks and Recreation Department launched a new story map, sure to pique the interest of history buffs. The online exhibit called To Serve explores Texans' long history of military service. Starting with the War of 1812 to the Texas Revolution to the current War on Terror, the exhibit uses videos, photographs, digital maps, and multimedia to honor local veterans who served in conflicts. About 3,500 military veterans are buried in cemeteries around Austin. In a video produced for the exhibit, a cemetery expert takes us on tour to show us how to identify monuments and symbols on veterans' headstones. You can view the exhibit at austintexas.gov/toserve. That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching, Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our dedicated webpage, austintexas.gov/COVID-19. Stay well, Austin.